Cold War established itself early as a film to watch, with Pawel Pawlikowski taking the Best Director award this year at Cannes Film Festival, where it had its world premiere. Poland agreed with the assessment, making the striking black-and-white love story set against the backdrop of Europe's post-World War II ruins its Oscar submission. Now Amazon has released a trailer for the pick, which it is putting in theaters December 21st. The film stars Joanna Kulig and Tomasz Kot, who are fatally mismatched and yet fatefully condemned to each other. Set during the 1950s Cold War in Poland, Berlin, Yugoslavia, and Paris, the couple is separated by politics, character flaws and unfortunate twists of fate. Pawlikowski told Deadline at Cannes that the story of a musicologist, Victor Kot, and singer, Zula Kulig, was dedicated to his parents, as it's somewhat inspired by their tempestuous relationship. They had, both, a great love and a great war. He called the film a matrix of all love stories. He penned the script with Piotr Borkowski. The pick marks Pawlikowski's first since 2014's Ida, which won the foreign language Oscar. Check out the trailer above.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.